Welcome back to Rabi Hub. Today we are making something so sweet, so rich, and so dangerously delicious that once you taste it, you might just forget about your gym membership. Yes, it's classic Gajar Ka Halwa, a dish that takes patience, love, and a lot of stirring. But trust me, it's worth it. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing it with my handyman friend Joe, who has no idea what's coming his way, so stick around. First up, we need about 2 pounds of fresh, juicy carrot. Give them a good wash because we don't want any surprise crunches in our halwa. Then chop up the ends because who needs them anyway? Now, real workout begins. Grating. If you don't have strong arms, this is the time to call your gym bro to help or just use a food processor. But since I like to suffer, I'm doing it the hard way. Once grated, straight into a hard part they go. Now we mix it around a little so the carrot starts sweating like they just ran a marathon. Now come the magic ingredient, sugar, about 1 cup of it. This is where the carrot stop being vegetable and start living their best dessert life. Stir it in well until everything becomes a sticky syrup delight. While our halwa thickens, let's prep some almond and cashews. Chop them up into small pieces. No precision needed, just good vibes. These little crunch bombs are going to take our halwa to the next level. Give the halwa a quick mix. It's looking good, smelling good, and at this point, if you are not tempted to taste it, you have a patience of a saint. Now the real deal, ghee. 2 tablespoons of this liquid gold will give our halwa that rich, glossy, melt in your mouth goodness. Time for some cardamom action. Crush about 1 teaspoon in a mortar and pestle until it smells like heaven. Then sprinkle it in. Trust me, this is what makes Gajar Ka Halwa irresistible. Give it a good mix and now we are ready for the final stretch. Now we pour in 2 cups of milk. This is going to make everything extra creamy, luscious and just downright luxurious. Stir it occasionally and let it cook for about an hour on low-medium heat. Patience, my friend, patience. This is the part where you can take a break, question your life choices, or just stare at the pot lovingly. And finally, after a whole hour, our halwa is ready to sign. Time to turn off the heat. But wait, we are not done yet. We are adding crushed nuts and about 6 to 8 tablespoons of condensed milk because we like our halwa extra rich. Now comes the best part, serving. Just look at that color, deep, rich, velvety garnish with more crust, nuts and little drizzle of ghee because Why not? Tell me this doesn't look like a work of art. This is not just a dessert, it's an emotion. Alright, now it's time for the real taste. My buddy Joe is working hard in the house today and he has no idea what he's about to taste.
What is it called?
It's called Gajar Ka Halwa. It's like carrot pudding.
Oh, really?
It's made of carrot.
Okay.
So healthy.
That's good.
I love
Definitely different.
this. I love this.
It's good. Wow. But it's not like kind of like oh, it's got like a familiar taste to it. It's like it's hard. It's like kind of like almost like a sweet potato.
Some pie.
Yeah, like a sweet potato kind of pie. It's really good. Wow. How hard is it to make?
It takes a little bit of time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta shred the carrots and whatnot.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yep, and now he is officially a halwa fan. And he took some home. And there you have it, the full recipe of this heavenly Gajar Ka Halwa. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what dish I should make next. See you in the next one. Until then, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep having fun.